Welcome, in front of me is a Blackview A70, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up settings, scroll all the way down to system, select reset options, and then tap on delete all data factory reset. Confirm it once more. Once you have read the message right here, this will just show you what will be removed from your phone. So if there's anything from that list that you'd like to keep, maybe music, photos, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise it will be lost permanently. Now, assuming you have already made a copy of it or you simply don't want to, you can proceed by tapping on erase all data, do it once more, and this will now begin the process. Now, factory reset should take roughly about like 1 to 5 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.